If Steam is giving you an error, one of the quickest fixes you can try is changing your download region and clearing the download cache. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix the issue in Steam, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. This opens the main menu where you'll find the settings you need to adjust. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Steam settings panel where several system and download options are located. Now, in the settings window, go to the download section. This is where Steam manages things like download behavior, cache, and region settings. If you're seeing an error, slow downloads, or connection-related problems, the download settings are often the best place to start. Once you're in downloads, look for download region. This setting tells Steam which server region to use when downloading games or updates. If the current region is having issues, switching to a different nearby region can often fix the error right away. Click the drop-down and choose a different region from the list. Try picking a nearby location that's close to you for the best results. After changing the download region, the next step is to clear the download cache. In the same download section, click Clear Download Cache. Steam may warn you that you'll need to log back in afterward, and that's completely normal. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing the error in the first place. Confirm the prompt and let Steam clear the cache. This process only takes a moment, and once it's finished, Steam will usually restart or prompt you to sign in again. If it does, go ahead and log back into your account using your usual Steam credentials. After signing back in, restart Steam one more time if needed. Closing and reopening the app helps make sure the new download region and cache changes are fully applied. Then try launching the game or repeating the action that caused the error before. In many cases, this simple process is enough to fix Steam errors, especially if the problem is related to downloads, server connection issues, or corrupted cache data. If the issue is gone, great, you're all set. If you're still seeing problems, you may need to try additional troubleshooting steps, but this is one of the fastest and safest fixes to start with. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.